Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a payment request letter. What is a payment request letter? A request letter for payment release is a formal letter written when a person is yet to receive their payment from a person or organization. A request letter for the release of an outstanding payment is very essential when a person is supposed to receive their payment but the payment is delayed due to some reasons. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a payment request letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, just like any other formal letters, you need to write down your information as the sender of this letter. Yes, write your full name. And write your occupation in the company. Write the name of the company as well. In this case, the letter is sent by a general manager of Wayne Construction. Besides that, write also the address of the company under it. You need to write the number, street name, city, state, and zip code for the complete address. Sure, you can also add contact information like phone number or email address. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. In this case is November 4th, 2023. And now, write the information about the recipient of this letter. Yes, you should write the full name. And under it, write the home address. When you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And you can now open the letter with salutation. Simply write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, state clearly that this letter functions as a notice about the payment that has not been paid by the recipient. If you don't know what to write, simply write this as to bring to your kind attention that we have still not received our payment. And mention also what period or what months that the recipient has not paid. In this example, the recipient has not paid the period from September 4th to October 4th. Yes, you must state it clearly here. And besides that, write also the amount of money. Here, the writer writes that the amount due is $5,678. And it is really important that you attached an invoice for that along with the letter. Therefore, mention it here so the recipient knows they have to check it after reading the letter. Simply write I am also attaching an invoice for the conducted work for your consideration. In the second paragraph, ask the recipient to respond as soon as possible. You can make it sound polite by writing I would be thankful to you if you could settle our dues at your earliest convenience. And show how urgency it is for you and company to get the payment soon. Like you can write how your accountant department needs to prepare the balance sheet for the accounted month. And don't hesitate to mention how the recipient's payment is the only one outstanding. You should really make it urgency so the recipient would pay as soon as possible. Of course, ask once again for the recipient to remedy this situation at earliest. If necessary, you can also give the deadline for the payment. And for the closure, write your hope to get a prompt reply from the recipient. Finally, write sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your occupation in the company, as well as the company name. So, that's how you write a payment request letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.